Hey everyone, my name is Ashley. Today I'll be showing you 5 stretches that will help you get your back bend. So let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video right now, add this video to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright you guys, let's start easy and build our way up. Stretch number 1, let's just go into a nice child pose. Except keep your arms tense so you can feel that stretch in your upper back. Take a deep breath in, exhale out. Try to reach as far forward with your fingertips as you can. Inhale, exhale. You can feel the stretch even more when you take a deep breath in and out. All right, while you're here, let's thread one of your arms through and stretch out that side of your back. Keep breathing and out. And come back to center. Walk those fingertips out as far as they can go. Curl your back in, suck your belly button into your spine to try to get that extra stretch in your upper back. And thread the other arm through and take a little twist. Starting nice and easy, you guys. Don't stress, we'll work our way up to that back bend. Keep breathing. And back to center. Use your belly button to initiate the roll up, up, up. Let's walk it forward. Let's just do some nice and easy cat-cows here at your own pace. When you go to arch in your cat position, try to arch it as much as you can, bringing those shoulders down the back, tailbone to the ceiling, and curl it up. Shoulders down the back, tailbone up, and in. A couple more times, you guys. We're just slowly getting that back warmed up. All right. Let's swing the legs around. Last part of our first section of easy stretches. I want you guys to just give yourself a little back massage, rocking back and forth, tucking those knees in as much as you can. Just to warm up those back muscles. Tell them to wake up. Wake up, back muscles. We're about to bend you in half. All right, you guys. Use your legs to swing you back up or just come around. Let's get into it. Let's start with my favorite, downward dog, all right? Downward dog. To come into the plank that sweeps us right into our Cobra. Stretch number 2. Now, if that sequence was a little too fancy for you, feel free to just go right into that Cobra. I just like to do the flow into the Cobra. I like to look around and warm up all sides of my back. And of course, if this is too intense for you, feel free to start on your forearms and just gently twist. And come down. Take a breath. And bring it back up. Chin to the ceiling. And little stretches side to side. And roll it back down. Take a breath. And up. Chin up. And down. Take a breath. Last time. If you haven't gone on your hands yet, try to go up on your hands this time. Exhale, let's come up. And if you'd like, try to touch. All right. And fun tip, if you do have a friend that can help you out, Superman your arms up and have your friend hold you and stretch your back for you. That's a fun one, but we'll save it for next time. Coming back up, let's just take a second back in that child's pose. Bring that back to regular. All right, you guys, bring it up. So next we're going to go into a hip flexor stretch. So go on one knee and we're gonna lean forward. Now your hip flexors will get stretched when you do a back bend. So you wanna make sure that they are warmed up before you go into that position. Hold it here, shoulders down. The more that you try and push your bottom downward, the more you'll feel that stretch right here. Nice, you guys, keep breathing. All right, we're gonna put our fingertips to the ground, slowly walk them back, and look up at that ceiling. Keep breathing. Nice, you guys. Amazing. Slowly bring it back. And let's go ahead, slowly transfer to the next knee. Leaning it in, stretch out that hip flexor. Stretch. Make sure that you are not too forward over, like this. Make sure that your knees are over your toes at a 90-degree angle. Perfect. Fingertips on the ground, slowly walk yourself back. Nice, you guys. And up. All right, slowly bring those knees in. And let's go to crisscross applesauce. All right, you guys, we're gonna stretch out the sides of our back here just to warm up. Right here and right here, forearm on the ground. Look at the sky. You can instantly feel that stretch. Sometimes I'll flip my wrist up to the ceiling for an extra stretch. Try not to keep your arm in front of you. Make sure that it is in line with your ear. And up. Other side. Make sure you're breathing. You'll hear me say that a lot because we forget a lot. We forget to breathe a lot. I'm gonna flip my wrist up. Remember, do not put your hand in front of you. Keep your arm in line with your ear. And up. Let's reach forward, and we're gonna do that one more time, okay? See if you could go a little bit further this next time. All right, let's bring it to our first side. Try to see if you go a little bit further this time. You can feel the side of your back stretching. And lift it up. Up and over. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Amazing. And just relax it forward one last time. Great, you guys. All right, last thing we're gonna do before trying out that back bend is stretching up our arms, because as you know, they're gonna be all the way back here, and that's not so comfortable for everyone. So go ahead, take one of your elbows, grab it with the other hand, and just reach it back. And I like to just also do a little side bend here. Stretch. So you can get used to your arms being in line with your ears, because ideally that's where they will be roundabout when you're in that back bend position. Swing them up. Other elbow, grab it and bring it up. Stretch. Breathe into it. Amazing, you guys. Little shoulder roll. Get that mobility. Get ready. It's coming. All right, let's go ahead and lay on our backs now. All right. If a back bend is something that you're completely not comfortable with, go ahead and just try to start with some bridges first. Warm it up. Just some bridges, lifting your hips as high as they can go. And if you think you're ready to go into it, let's get started. I'm going to flip both of my wrists, have my fingertips touching the ground, put my palms flat onto the ground, and I'm going to use my feet, just like we did with those hip raises, and I'm going to use my arms to help at the same time while I look at the back wall and press. All right, we'll just hold it for a few seconds, you guys, and come back down. We'll do that a couple times. And relax, relax, starting with the head to the shoulders and the hips. You want to roll it down nice and slow so no one gets hurt, okay? Relax. All right, you guys, let's try that a couple more times. Again, if this is a little too much for you, just start with those hip raises. So, fingertips back, palms on the ground. Put pressure into your feet, into your hands, and look at the wall behind you, and up. And breathe. And roll it down with your head first, your shoulders, and your hips. Shake it out, shake it out. Let's do that one last time, you guys. You can't just do it once and be done. You gotta do it a couple times until you get super comfortable. And you can start doing back walkovers, back handsprings. That'll be for next time. All right, deep breath, you guys. Let's do this one last time all together. Feet planted, fingertips go back. Plant those hands on the ground. Put pressure into your feet and the palms of your hands and look back. Up. If you're already there, try to straighten your knees. And bend. You can lift one. Two. You can lift the other. Two. Or you could just stay. And roll it down with your head and your shoulders and your hips. And give yourself a round of applause. You did it, you guys. Or you tried. And that's all that matters. Thank you so much, and I hope that helped. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like this video, make sure to download our app, Yoga Plus. And don't forget to watch more of my videos. See you later.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.